Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 every
Oh, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we got ourselves a banger. Dang, you know what? I forgot to completely forgot. We got ourselves a banger. Daily market news and analysis. How's everyone feeling out of 10? Let me know. I forgot to go live on TikTok. Whoopsies. Oh, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's everyone feeling? Out of 11 out of 11. Nice. 11 out of 10. All right. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome. Make sure we're good on TikTok or on YouTube over here before we get things popping. Yeah. All right, say what's up on YouTube if you're watching on YouTube. That way I know that we are good. All right, let's get into it. All right. So Bitcoin, as of the time of recording, what's up on YouTube? You're not on YouTube, you silly willy. I meant for the YouTubers who are watching on YouTube to say what's up. There we go. John says, can you look at RDRUM, please? Looks like inflation jumped April 24. Looks to be a big influencer coin, but doesn't seem to meet your big three. It doesn't meet my big three. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. But we can look at it. What up, Ski? What's up, Amp? All right, we're good on YouTube. Sweet. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, and then we'll get into all your guys's. So what's October looking like? Let's get into it. Cool. All right, so right now, as the time of recording, the very last day of September, tomorrow officially kicks off October. And it's up only, baby. No, that's not true. But October is historically one of the best performing months in all of cryptocurrency, and it officially kicks it off tomorrow. And how fitting is it that we had this nice little pump? Followed by a rejection off of the top of the range here. A back test of the prior range. Beautiful. Right before October starts tomorrow. You'll love to see it. What up, savages? And in my opinion, right now, all of the dips are opportunities to be capitalized on. Deshaun Watson doesn't make the Fibonacci list. Listen, he's accumulating. He's accumulating down there in the 236. But you know who's about to break out into a new parabolic level? He's just been over there percolating on IR. That is Mr. Nick Chubb. Okay? Just started practicing again. Mr. Nick Chubb is ready. He's practicing again. All right. All right, so as the time of recording, we're sitting at $63,561. We had a nice little pullback, healthy pullback. I would add. Thanks for subscribing, you savage. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
If we get 10 new subscribers this YouTube stream, we'll do a giveaway. How about that? So what did we pull back? What was the total from wick to wick? A 5.5% pullback, and people are already ready to lose their minds. Just yesterday, we were in 61. We lost 11 points off of the fear and greed. 11 points off of the fear and greed with a 5% pullback. You can't make this up. All right, so yeah, I think that this is great. We had a huge move from this downside here of 53,000 all the way up to 66,000, 26% move. A back test of the prior range is a very normal, common move that is to be expected. Right now, the moving averages for Bitcoin are looking very, very good. I think it's time to give up on quant. What do you think? That makes me more bullish than ever, my man. Sup, your boy Ski Solnick? What's up, fam? Would you hold Ondo? I don't hold Ondo. I don't have any Ondo. That doesn't mean it's right or wrong. I'm sure a bunch sold on a 5% drop. I'm sure they did as well. Pretty hilarious. But right now, looking at the moving averages, everything is sloping to the upside. That is very good. Even the 200, which is the slowest mover of them, which for me on my chart, it is the dark blue one. We are firmly above the 200 moving average, and everything is crossing to the upside, sloping to the upside. KV, thanks for the lightning and the let him cook, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Your opinion on SUI price after unlock today? Listen, Daniel, SUI, I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. It's in price discovery. I would consider taking profit. If you were my brother, I would say take profit. All right, you're not my brother, but if you were, I would say start to DCA your initial investment out. That's what I would say if you were my brother. October, let's go. Valhalla tomorrow. So I anticipate this could be being caught right here. This is the 21 moving average. We got caught on that. It wouldn't be weird to even come back into the 60s. But basically, all of this still looks very good. And I anticipate all systems go. And I think that we are going to break out of this range here. We know October, historically, 30% average return on investment over 10 years. October officially kicks off tomorrow. And I love that we had this pullback here. I love that. That's beautiful. But look at all the moving averages. They're all very much sloping to the upside. That is very good. The next key point. So this is a clean reversal right here, especially when we look on the 5-day. Strongly above this peak right here, which I said we needed to get above. And now we're closing bodies on top of it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Bull flag. Yes, it is a bull flag. I'm not a huge patterns trader. To me, that's on the lower side of things, but it is a bull flag. That is correct. Massive macro bull flag. Massive macro bull flag. Won't be long before we fly. Isn't it funny? 5% drops last a day of the month. Yeah, exactly. Right? How convenient, you sly dog. So yeah, the next big check that we need to get above right here, and this would be a triple check, is 70,400. Really, that it would be a clean breakout of the bull flag, as Elliot pointed out. So 70,000 would put us above a breakout of the actual bull flag. And the difference between, and this is the hard part, which people, have a hard time wrapping their head around, but it's true, is they think that it's just going to be like, it's going to break out and it's just going to be this slow, gradual thing. And that can be true, but oftentimes it's not, right? So oftentimes, and what I'm predicting too, the difference between 71,000, 75,000, and 85,000 isn't going to be a few different months. It's going to be a couple of days, right? That's how crypto works. It's boring, boring, boring 90% of the time until it's not. And we are very, very, very much nearing the end of the phase of until it's not. We have officially made it through the absolute worst month in all of cryptocurrency. We made it, y'all. We made it. If you're here this far and you're still DCAing, and you still can't be shooketh. You are a savage in my book, and I love you for it. Can you look up INJ? What's up, Ski? I got you, bro. Crypto about to be a 2-pump chump. Did September close green tonight? Let's look at the monthly. I think it did. No, it did not. But that is what history tells us happens, right? It did not. It did not close green, but history tells us just that. Just that. Negative 5% is the average return on investment. That's pretty much what we got. And September wasn't really bad. That's right. September wasn't really bad. It was volatile, right? So we had some pretty massive swings. We had some swings from like, I think we went all the way down to 50 is as low as we got. 49 too. And we got as high as, is this September? No. That's actually July. This is actually August. So the lowest we got in September was 52.5, and the highest we got was 66. So I guess it wasn't that bad. Actually, it was pretty boring, all things considered. What do you think about Moonbeam? We'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at it. All right, guys, let's get into your guys' questions, your concerns. Shiba Army strong. Your coins. Dent. I like Dent. Dent is on the Wyckoff list. Looking pretty solid. Port strikes. North Carolina. Tennessee floods. All those things are horrible. By the way, right? Especially the floods. Especially the floods. That's a real world thing that people are really, you know, losing everything to. And that is very sad and unfortunate. And also at the same time, if we are a sophisticated investor, we need to compartmentalize, have sympathy for those that are dealing with these terrible travesties, and also know that this doesn't affect investments. I sold everything yesterday. Had to come over to TikTok. What up, Amp? My man's watching on both. You hold any link? I do hold link. Do you know where CoinGecko office is? I need to speak to the manager. KV, thanks for the hat and mustache, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh,
Super
yeah.
sad. Yeah, honestly, like really, my heart breaks for, genuinely, my heart breaks for those people. That I've seen some of the videos. Awful. Awful, awful things. Period. Awful. Thoughts on if port strike will affect the market tomorrow? Yes, it will not. It's not going to. Okay. Right. That's my point. Right. Let's compartmentalize everything as an investor. Right. So the floods, awful. Truly, my heart breaks, and it doesn't affect the price of Bitcoin. The strikes, pretty crazy. Could have some real world implications. You might not have your toilet paper, and it doesn't affect the price of Bitcoin. The war, awful. My heart breaks. Truly, terrible. And it doesn't affect the price of Bitcoin. Okay. See, we have this notion that the chicken comes before the egg, and that's true. But you or most people are confusing which is the chicken and which is the egg. Right? Most people think that the narrative is the chicken and the price is the egg. It's the other way around. The price is the chicken. Price action will happen first, and then a narrative will show up. Right? Every time. Bitcoin ETF passed at the local top. The war in Israel kicked off at the local bottom. Silicon Valley Bank happened at the local bottom. FTX went to zero at the absolute bottom. The Luna with the 0 at the cryptocurrency selling climax and most everything such as Ethereum, Quant, XRP. This was their absolute bottom, right? Germany selling, Mt. Gox selling at the local bottom, Japan rate cuts at the local bottom, right? So if something were to come of it, it would mark, if a narrative were to come and we do have some price action down to 60K, whatever, 58K, whatever, I'm telling you now, that is the bottom. What about the 2 moons? That's in November. And that is a thing. Most of the news is already built into price. That's facts. It literally is built into the price. Because, like, here's the deal. Who is getting the news from? Who is generating the stories? The journalists, of course. Well, who hires the journalist? The apex predators, which is who you are trading against. Ladies and gentlemen, I hate chicken. Okay. That's great news. Congratulations. Did I miss anybody else on here? Thank you for putting that vital, relevant comment into the chat. Okay, XRP, $5 to $14. Chadwick Miller, thank you for the $4.99 donation, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I appreciate you, brother. Hey, Ski, can you rate my bags, see what I need to work on, hypothetically, if I held such digital assets? Yes. That is a service that I offer. I do full exit strategies plus portfolio reviews. Your love with Costa, okay. He says live. No, you said it right the first time, damn it. The live with Costa was fire. That is available on YouTube still. So go check that out if you haven't already. And that will be every Friday. Me and World War Bitcoin, a.k.a. Alex Costa, will be live every Friday, 12 Eastern on TikTok. Thank you for the rose, Cam. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
And the TikTok, the lightning, the cone, the chili. You savage, price of eggs has tripled. Get some chickens, fam. A chicken at Royal King will run you about a little chick at Royal King will run you a solid $2. Okay? How many eggs do you need? Get that many chickens. And then get like 3 extra for death. So if you need 1 dozen eggs per week, get you about 15 chicks. All right? That'll run you about $30. Okay? And then after about 6 weeks, they will start to, or not 6 weeks, about 6 months, they're going to start to give you eggs until they die. All right? And I promise you, the quality of eggs are going to be exponentially higher than that of what you can buy at the store. Thoughts on the XRP settlement? I could care less, honestly. Here's the deal. XRP is still within a range. XRP's chart looks great. It looks like it's ready to break out of the range, but it's still in the 450-day range. Okay, so there's really nothing to report until it breaks out of this range that it's been in for 450 days. Okay, about 73 cents is where we need to get for XRP. I think that XRP will get to 5, as high as $14, regardless of if they appeal or if they do not appeal. I do not care. Exceptionally, just loaded up on about 30K Solnic. Let's go. Yes, savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Can you tell the price of Link when probably about $20. My price for Link is really like the end of the bull run. We need money, not eggs. read the chart, bro. We're reading the chart, bro. I'm trying to save you some money. I have 10K. Whoops. I have 10K. Where to spend it? If I had $10,000 right now and I was brand new to crypto, here's what I would do. I would divvy that up. Minimum 22K would go into Bitcoin and hold that forever. I would take about 2K and put it into large to medium caps. I would put about 2K into small to medium caps. And what's left? So we got 2, 2, 2. Put another 2K. No, we got 2K left. Put another 1K into small to medium, and then have 1K for micro caps. That's what I would do. Putting 10K into Solnic. You could do that too. All deep. All right, let me look at what's his Doohickey Wop INJ. And let's get into your guys' coins. Doohickey Wop. My thoughts on INJ. Let's get it. Smart Layer Network. All right, cheers, mate. Cheers. Yeah, okay. So realistically, and I do have a little bit of concerns about INJ, but this was the chart that we're looking for before it broke out, right? This looks to be forming a bottom. I am concerned about this like huge gap. Those tend to get filled at sooner or later. That's a little bit concerning to me, but this looks like it perhaps is the beginning of accumulation. And if that is the case, the next leg would take you about 4x from here. I do think that there's better opportunities in the markets right now than INJ, but that's my thoughts. R-Drum. Oh yeah, let's look at R-Drum. Someone was asking me about it. John was asking me about R-Drum. It doesn't meet my criteria, he says. AERO. Yeah, like, okay, it's a huge influencer coin for sure, right? The chart doesn't look too bad, okay? I want to be fair. I'm not hearing as much about it now as I was like when it was up a 30x, okay? So up a 30x, and then it crashed from the top. What did it go down to? 82%. That's pretty good. This looks like accumulation, your sign of strength. I anticipated to get a back test about 85 cents before going to the parabolic levels about $5.64. I don't know what the ROI for that is. 4x. And again, I think that there's probably better opportunities. It already did a 30x, right? Let's look up the... By the way, people are like butthurt about my video that I just dropped about Jasmine. They are upset. I thought that I called their mother a bad name. But that's the thing about this. Like, do not become a part of a cult. That's not what is going to make you money. I'm not seeing any supply on this one, though. Being a part of a cult is not what's going to make you money. And people were like, ADA versus R-Drum. ADA to me is a way better ROI potential right here, for sure. $6 to $8 for ADA. My bag. What's potential of 31,000 XRP, 100 quant, 100,000 XLM. Chadwick, I appreciate the $9.99 donation, brother. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, do me a favor, Chadwick, and I'll give you an exit target for those. I want you to email me. I want you to send me a DM on Instagram with that. All right, so I'll say of those that you're, well, I'll rate it. How about that? And I can give you some exit strategies for it. Of those, the Filecoin, I don't like Filecoin. Filecoin's inflation is crazy, right? Let's look at Filecoin. That's the only one I have any like squabble with, I guess. But let's look at Filecoin supply. I mean, it's still just like up in a straight line. The 5-year chart up in a straight line. So from 2021 peak, which we're going to say, what was the 21 peak for Filecoin? I'm going to guess November. Let me see. All right. The November 2021 peak for Filecoin was April. All right, April. So from April of 21 until today, the inflation, let's mark this point here. April of 21. Go back a little bit. Right there. The circulating supply of Filecoin was about 65 million. Okay? If we look to the right, the inflation or the circulating supply on Filecoin is about 589 million. So that's just shy of a 10x. That's about a 9.2x the supply of the peak of 2021. Right? So what that means is if we were to round it and take this peak, let's say they did not dump any more supply into the market, this peak should have been 10x from here. So this should be realistically, it should have gotten to about $130. That is a full retracement, right? This is the same move that Ethereum and Solana did. But Filecoin is not even anywhere near this. So of those, Filecoin is the only one that I'm like, not so sure about. I think XRP is going to do well. I think Quant's going to do well. I like XLM to do about $1. Akash we went over yesterday. ADA is a solid play. VeChain's a solid play. Yeah, that's the only one that's kind of like, not so sure about. But, I mean, if you're holding it at this point, you could hold it through the next bull market, right? So what is the maximum supply of Filecoin? Because theoretically, if there is a cap, right, you could hold it through the next bull market and it's not going to be as crazy. So yeah. I don't know what the maximum supply on this is, but it for sure has 10x. Thanks for the question though, bro. And thanks for the donation. I appreciate your guys' support. It means the world. Fun Trader, thank you for the roses. Kevin, thank you for the let 'em cook. Thank you for the heart, the team bracelet. You savages.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
You should grab a bag of Hex. Hex to me is okay. It's a decent high risk, high reward play. I think that there's probably a little bit better plays. I'm not a Hex hater like a lot of people are. That's 5 more chicks for Ski. Thank you. You're helping support the farm. Let's go. Been in crypto since 2017. This is the first time I'm calm, just watching the dips and more confident than ever. All because of you. Matt, it's all because of you, brother. It's all because of you. All right? Here's the truth. Thank you for the rose. I appreciate you. Matt Anderson, I appreciate your kind words, but here is the truth. Here is the truth. I could look someone dead in the face and tell them the exact truth of what is going to happen. But if they are not residing on the level of consciousness, if they do not have the eyes to see what I am saying and the ears to hear it, they're not going to receive the message. So I appreciate that, but it's because of you, brother. Thank you for the Let 'em Cook and the ICU and the hat and mustache, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Pastor Ski. Let those hear it, ha! Foxy. Can you do alchemy pay? Yeah, I got you. Thank you for the it's corn, Christine. I appreciate you. That's the truth. I could look someone dead in the face, and I promise you I have. I have. Right? Thanks for you and Alex grinding. I have told people in my real life, dead in the face, what's about to happen. And they're like, I don't know. Those who do not have eyes to see it and ears to hear it, it means nothing. All right, let's look up that beard on point. Thanks, bro. What was it? ACH? What was the one? ACH? If you're staking, when should you start unstaking? When Bitcoin gets above 130K. Isn't ADA like a cult? That's true. There are many cults within cryptocurrency. But here's the deal. I am not a part of any cult. Polygon Matic, I got you, bro. I'll do ACH. I think it's ACH. Yeah, ACH, and then we'll do Matic. Thanks for the gifts, guys. Here's the deal. There are many cults within cryptocurrency. Do not join a cult, right? I am not a part of the XRP army. I'm not a Hexagon. I'm not a part of the ADA cult. I'm not a part of the Jasmine cult. Look at the data points. Make a decision based off of that, based off of what's best for you and your family, based off of the data that is given to you. All right? You don't need to join a religion. You can go to church for that. You don't need to do it in cryptocurrency. Okay? Because you will be exit liquidity is what will happen. All right, ACH though, looking pretty good. Retracement 6.2 cents. 24 cents is parabolic. So I would say like with the ADA cult, like they might tell you it's going to $100. I'm telling you it's going to $6. He says the Church of Smoking Chicken, the Sonic cult. I do TA on Sonic, brother. I do TA on my own coin. It has crazy inflation as well. Let me look. Let's see. No, it doesn't look like it according to... So on the 5-year, so last cycle it was 1.83 billion, and now it is 4.9. So that's about double, about a 2x the supply. So maybe instead of going absolutely parabolic, it only goes to like the 1618 of about 14 cents. That's a little bit, but it's not crazy. I've seen worse. SHIB going to $1? No, it's not. That's impossible. Let me show you why, okay? I know you're trolling, but there are people out there, a part of the Shiba army, who really think that. Right? Sonic 13X by Christmas. Very, very possible. Should I hold my Bitcoin and never trade? I mean, that's not a bad strategy at all. Because ultimately, what you're betting when you hold Bitcoin forever, you're betting that governments will continue to print more money. So let's look at Shiba. And let's do some math. I typed in shit. Sorry, guys. Force of habit. The circulating supply on Shiba Inu is 589 trillion. That's the supply. To put that in perspective, that is about 10x of that. That's more than 10x. That's about a 15, 17x of the national debt. So in order for Shiba Inu to go to $1, it would need about 10x of our national debt. No big deal. Totally possible. It's gonna happen, bro. I'm being sarcastic if you're new. Shiba Inu constantly burns supply. It's not. It might burn. Listen. Let me put things in perspective for you. Okay? 1 million seconds is like a couple of days or something like that, right? So they might burn a million here or burn a million there. 1 billion seconds is like 32 years. All right? And I don't even know what 1 trillion seconds would equal, but there are 589 trillion supply. So if they burn 25 million here and there, like, great. Let's just look up Shiba. It's literally a drop in the bucket. Let's look at their charts. Let's look at the supply. Let's see if there's like a significant... no, there's not. In fact, from August... Let's go to all. So from August of 21, so from last cycle, even though they're burning, right? They're burning. Well, last bull run, the circulating supply was 497 trillion. And as they're burning, it's now 589 trillion. So that is nothing more than a sleight of hand. If they burn a couple million, that's great. But it will never amount to anything because a trillion is such an unfathomable number. Like, we say it all willy-nilly, but the difference of magnitude is crazy. Can they add as much as they want? I don't know. It seems that way because they are, like, I see a clear staircase on the supply. Bullish or bearish right now? I'm bullish right now on all crypto. I'm just trying to be like... So let me get it straight too, and let me tell you the truth. I like Shiba Inu's chart, and I think it's going to 5 or 10 or 5, maybe even 15x, right? It's even on my Wyckoffsky list. When I look at just the market cap, this chart looks good. So let me be fair, the chart looks good. Okay? I think it will 5, 10, maybe 15x. And on the entire cryptocurrency market, I am very bullish right now. And I'm saying every single dip is an opportunity. All I'm doing is pumping the brakes on Fantasyland with Shiba Inu. That's it, right? So I don't want to lead you guys to the wolves. My whole point of my channel is to make you be your own hero and rely not on me, but on yourself. Thoughts on player 3? We'll take a look at that. We'll look at Fox. Let me, XRP, I don't even like SHIB. XLM to $4 to $5. I don't think it's possible in 2025. I got about $1 target. I mean, theoretically, I guess it's possible. I would say not likely, though. Not likely. All right, let's look at Matic. For my man Pendle. Sent me the hat. Pending. Sent me the hat and mustache. Karet. Any thoughts on that? Alt season is coming. I agree. I forgot that Flux prediction. Do you remember it? $13. All right, let's go to Matic. I like Matic too. People are done with Matic, which is bullish, right? When everyone's like, this one's cooked, bullish. By the way, I just saw this too. Before we look up Matic, I want to show you literally what I was looking at before I went live. I was on Crypto Panic, and I was just like just seeing the broader, like vibes, and like there's a lot of this with Cardano. Will Cardano fall by 20% soon? Another developer left Cardano. Oh, like just lots of bearish news. Great. Awesome. Run it. All right, let's go to Matic. Run it. Where is my Matic chart? Let's pull up Coinbase. Thank you for the I see you, bro. I appreciate you. I got you on Fox after this one. Quantum computers will be used for AI, crypto farming. Maybe. That's why I like DNX. Except it's more like cloud computing. Yo, man, your stream is amazing. I'd like to be friends so we can play games together. Add me on Discord. Got you, bro. All right, let's look at this one. So this is a macro accumulation, by the way. And let me quickly cross-reference Matic on the inflation. So let's see if we see anything glaring on Matic. I know there's a little bit. A little bit is fine. I'm not mad at a little bit. I'm mad at like a 10x. Right? I understand like you need a little drizzle. That's interesting. It looks like so the circulating supply is basically the same. So it did like climb 2.5. It's basically the same as what it was March of 20. Interesting. So it was climbing. So there you go. Yeah. It looks like they're gearing up for the bull run. Yeah, so my targets are valid. My target is about $9. What about Quant? I like Quant. I think Quant is like, it's one of those that people are just done with. They're so bored with it, which is bullish. What do you think Sonic least potential by Christmas is? The least potential by the bull run is a $75 million market cap. By Christmas, probably 20 million. Thank you for the money gun, bro. I appreciate you. But realistically, my target and what we're developing for is not for Christmas. It's for the next bull market, right? All right, what was the one? Oh yeah, Fox. Was it Foxy or Fox? Foxy. 20 million is a 20x. A little bit shy of a 20x, yeah. Probably like a 15x. Not a lot of data on this one. See if I can find a better chart. Yeah, not a ton of data, bro. This looks like the beginning of accumulation. I'll give you a target on it, but there's not a ton of data. Ideally, I like at least a year to really start getting like really good predictions. Retracement is 1.8 cents. Parabolic is 6.7 cents. Can you look up Shapeshift Fox? What's good, Ski? Can you look up Star Atlas? What's up, Radiant Substance? Hey, Ski, you say this is the local bottom on Bitcoin. I'm not saying it is the local bottom. I'm saying like we're near it. And I like the fact that we have back tested. What should I trade it for? You could trade it for like a similar style coin. Like in that same range of market cap. Probably like Quan or LCX. Be like water. What's up, Ski? You see DIA token, bro? Sending. I'll take a look at it. I don't know why your thing didn't show up until. Check out DIA, bro. Lots of coins burn their coins, but the supply doesn't change. Yeah, that's right. All right, let's look up. Isn't DNX like Caspa? Yes, it is like Caspa. I would say, like, fundamentally, I would say it's better. I'm biased, but fundamentally, I think it does more. Right? And let me make one important point too. Is the market pulling back? Yeah, I mean, there's always going to be pullbacks in the market, even in the most bullish times. What's up, man? What's up? Even when Bitcoin was absolutely sending in 2021, there was 5 separate occasions when it pulled back 20+%. VeChain, I have about a 69-cent target for VeChain. All right, let me make a point too. Fundamentals, even though I like the fundamentals on DNX more than Caspa, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to outperform Caspa, right? Because fundamentals does not equal price. They are correlated, perhaps, but correlation does not equal causation, right? The only thing that equals price, is supply plus demand equals price. That is it. That's all that it will ever equal, right? Forever. Fundamentals does not equal price. It just doesn't. It can be correlated, and we could tie a narrative to like why it's pumping, sure, but that is the truth. But fundamentally, I like DNX more than I like Caspa with a K. But definitely Caspa with a C too. I don't like that one at all. Hey, thank you for the math, bro. A billion is 32 years. A trillion is 31,688 years. So there you go. That's the difference. Real quick, what is a million? So I don't misspeak. Thank you for the money gun, bro. I missed it. Thank you for that, bro.
But the
Overtron, what up, my boy?
rise to the top, oh yeah.
Pending, what is a million seconds? So we'll do this. In your opinion, why do you think Ethereum has been underperforming so badly this cycle? Because that's how that's the game, bro. The truth is Bitcoin is the first mover every single cycle. And then after Bitcoin gets into price discovery, everything else catches up. That has been true since the beginning of time. That has been true forever. Mind doing Sage? Got you, bro. All right, let's get into some of these coins. Did I finish this one? 6.8 cents. How do you feel about ICP? ICP is solid. 100 to 140 is my target. What was the one for DIA? Is that on where's that? Is that on TradingView? Thanks for the follow. By the way, guys, if we get 10 new subscribers on YouTube, we're going to do a giveaway. This looks like it's breaking out. Hold up. Let me back up here. Oh, okay. Yeah, this looks pretty good, actually. This looks like accumulation. Sign of strength back test. Now, I would anticipate a breakout back test. Probably back into the 55 range. But parabolic for this is about 384. OP price target is up 40%. Yeah, glad I picked that one a few weeks ago. Did we get the math on 1,000,000 seconds? Because I'm gonna we're gonna drop this facts on you to just show you the difference. I think 1,000,000 seconds is a few minutes or like a few hours. Just the difference. Let's look it up. How long is 1,000,000 seconds? Just to show you the difference. 11.5 days. So there you go. So just to show you the difference on why it does not matter at all if Shiba Inu burns 29 million supply or whatever the hell it is. Here's the facts, okay? 1,000,000 seconds equals 11.5 days. 1 billion seconds equals 32 years. 1 trillion seconds equals 31,688 years. And the supply on Shiba Inu is 589 trillion. So if they burn 97 million, great. It's a drop in the bucket. It means nothing. You know nothing, Jon Snow. Will Crown do a 10x? I think Shiba Inu will rug pull eventually. I don't know if it's going to rug pull. I think it's going to do a 10x. Right? It's just the idea that it's going to that it matters that they burned anything. Let me know when they burn 20 trillion. Wake me up when that happens. Got the review, thanks. Bro, sorry for the delay, man. I don't think I even sent you the Sonic I owe you. I'm gonna send you an extra. I appreciate your patience, dude. Let's look up Crown. Give me a gentle reminder if I don't do it in the next couple of days. What's up with Ethereum? I think Ethereum's fine. Probably go to 7,000. There's not really enough data on this, Megan. This perhaps looks like accumulation. Retracement is 160. Mostly everything's going to do that. Parabolic is $6. Supply and demand market cap won't matter on SHIB. I mean, I think it can 10x, right? But just people say this nonstop, and it's crazy. It's they just burned 79 million. It's that, bro. Okay, great. It's one zillionth of the percentage of the supply. It means nothing. What percentage do you take per price target? I emailed that to you, but 20%, DCA 20% per target. I'm still waiting 50K Sonic for my Gary. Okay, send me a message. I owe you some interest. All right, did we do? Yeah, we did that one. XRP 165. No, same thing, right? I'm not a part of the XRP army or the cult of XRP. XRP can go to $5 or $14. Maybe it can go into $20. I'm not counting on that, but this idea that it's going to go to $100 even is kind of crazy. We getting a review of those memes on Telegram for Solnic. We gotta revive the memes on Telegram. The memes. What are you saying? Bro, if you're a memer, memes will make us millions. Crypto only, or do you do stocks? I buy stocks. I buy real estate. I buy gold. I buy silver. I'm over here fidgeting with silver right now. I'm fidgeting with silver right now. Because I like holding silver in my hands, right? But where I spend 100% of my bandwidth on is cryptocurrency, because the ROI is not even close. Like, I have a base fundamental understanding of all of the rest of them, and I would say real estate would be the second largest of my knowledge. But I have a base understanding of the rest of them. I dollar cost average into the rest of them. Cryptocurrency is where I spend the bulk, almost all of my bandwidth on. Long term, 3 to 8 years, XRP replaces the US dollar. 8 years, I could see XRP going to $100. This bull run, no, I do not see that. I could see it in 8 years, right? That would be multiple bull runs. I could see that. How do you deal with vacancies? Are you in apartments or single family? I'm in single family homes. You just got to get somebody in there. That's it. Luckily for me, I haven't really dealt with it, but I do save 20% for vacancies to get you by. But I've never really dealt with it, to be honest with you, because I've had the same people there forever. I don't raise the rent on them. I just keep it the same. If they move out, I'll raise the rent, but I'm not going to raise the rent every like 6 months just because. XRP shows 165. What fib, my brother in Christ? What fib? On what level? The 2618? Fibonacci's is what I do, brother. What fib are you pulling on that pulls you to 165? Do you trade with leverage? I do, but 90% of my portfolio is accumulation. Option trading is where it's at. I actually think that futures trading is where it's at. I don't like options trading, actually, but that's personally. Zoom Talks, the same one in 2017. No, bro. All right, let's do it. Let's do it together, shall we? Let's pull a fib. Because I pulled a fib from wick to wick in 2018, which is where the height was. 2017 is back here. So I have an even better case. And the fib pulls you to $13. So I don't know what levels you got on yours that brings you to 160. Is that the 20.618? You're doing linear. Okay, bro. He says make it log. Log makes you biased towards the upside. I don't like log. I don't even remember how to change it. What is the Bro, I do not remember. What is the command for it? Yeah, XRP needs to hit a one. It's not going to 160. I'm not even going to entertain this. This is crazy. This is crazy talk. Just do the market cap of that. That's like Shiba Inu going to $1 talk. That's insane. So 100 billion, and the market cap right now is, what is the market cap? 35 billion. It's 61 cents right now. So in order for it to get to $6, it needs to 10x. It needs to 100x to get to $60. It needs to 200x from here to get to $160. It's not happening. It needs to 300x to get to, that's not happening. We would be lucky if that would happen the next bull market. Right click. All right. I don't remember how to do this. Because I don't like logarithmic. That's just me. If it works for you, then keep doing it. But to me, it makes me like blinded bullishly, and I don't want to be blinded bullishly. I don't remember how to do it, guys. On the y-axis. All right. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Oh, here we go. It's Alt. What is the key? What is the command so we don't forget it again? Alt plus L. Alt plus L. All right, let's pull a fib here. And see that this goes to 160. And he said 2017. See, that's the great, like 2017 isn't even higher than 2018 on the actual price, but it is here. That's why I don't like it. That's not reality. Even so, $13.18 is the 4236. My brother in Christ, what level are you looking at that takes you to $160? I don't know. That's not right either. You have made an error. Pre-God candle, March of 20. I just did it, bro. I did it from the highest place that you can do it. March of 2017. Where you want me to pull? Like, where are we cherry picking? March of 17. May of 17 is right here. Do you know how to pull a fib? All right, so the highest possible target that we could get would be from here to this bottom, this swing low. That's it. There is no other like points where we can pull from, even on a log pull. Like March of 17 is even lower. Where is March of 17? This point right here, this is May. March of 17. Okay, cool. Let's do it then. March of 17 to this low. All right. I got bad news. I got terrible news for you. That means we're going to 20 cents. All right. For those who don't know how to pull a fib, Here's how to pull a fib. You're going to go to the third tab. You're going to click from a swing high to a swing low. And that's it. That's how you pull a fib. There is no fib that I can pull that would bring me to $160. That does not exist. December 13th. All right. Listen, this is the last time I'm going to, like, even humor this. I already did it for March 17th. December of 13. All right, cool. Let's do it. Last one. I'll at least buy that for $1. Oh, look at there. We went to this one. We went to right here. That's where we were supposed to be. 29 cents. It doesn't exist, bro. And I like XRP. XRP is one of my bigger holdings. There is no planet where this bull run it goes to $160. That is wishful thinking, and literally you're living on wishes. You're not living on reality. That doesn't exist. If you would like to be exit liquidity, you go right ahead and wait until we get to $160. I will not. I will be out of XRP. All but 20%. I think XRP, you could hold it for 20 years, right? I like XRP, but I don't live in fantasy land. It's not going to $160 as bull run. It's not. And I'm definitely not going to tell my audience that, because that's crazy talk. Wouldn't you pull a fib? You would pull a fib from 2021 high. That's correct. Oh, no. No, I'm pulling a fib from 2017 because I think that... okay, let's do TA on XRP. Let me give you my actual technical analysis on XRP. Here's my actual technical analysis on XRP. All right, we're not going to like do this crazy talk anymore. We're not going to live in fantasy land anymore. I lived there for a little bit with you guys. It was fun, and I'm glad to be back. Okay? All right, so here is my actual analysis for XRP. So on the top, we have XRP. On the bottom, we have Bitcoin. All right. And my theory is that XRP is in one very large cycle. Okay. And this, to me, was the 2017 bull run. Your parabolic rise, your distribution, your markdown, your reaccumulation, aka the bottom, your reaccumulation, aka a bottom, the sign of strength and or retracement. They both. Bitcoin went to the 618 in June of 19. XRP went to the 618 of April of 21. Crash back down, distribution, reaccumulation, followed by phase E, which is the markup phase or what we call the bull run. That to me is the next phase of XRP, and this is one macro, 7 years of a downtrend, 3 years of an uptrend. I think it's going to perform very well. But $5 for the record is very well. $10 is extremely well, especially for a large market cap. So there you go. That is $5. That's my realistic target. I think it could go as high as $14. Anything above that is wishful for this cycle. What's your take on FET? FET, what's the best means this bull run? Meme coins are going to jump through the roof. Yeah, my favorite one is Solnic, SOLNIC. XYO will be revolutionary. I like XYO. I think I have about a 20-cent target for XYO. All those are solid plays. right? XRP, XYO, and Quant, I like them all. But I don't live in fantasy land that they're going to this crazy number, because let's just hope and pray, and if we manifest and we all like come together and rub our crystals and burn some sage, it's gonna get there. Like, no, that's not reality. Sorry. If you have $100 target for XRP in 8 years, I'll buy that, right? I'll buy that for $1. I think you could get there in 8 or 10 years. But no, I don't believe this cycle it's going above $20 maximum. But I won't be playing anything for $20. All right, Gala. What do you think about LCX? I like LCX. $1 to $2 for that. How about XLM? My target for XLM is $1. XLM inflated a little bit of the supply over the course of the bull market, or over the course of the bear market. Quant 700 to it's so funny. Being like talking about XRP is almost like being a liberal, in that like once you become a liberal, you can never be liberal enough, right? You have to keep going left, right? You have to keep pushing it forward. Like, I like XRP, right? I'm like the Robert Kennedy of the left on XRP. I'm like conservatively left for XRP. Like, I like it, right? But it's like you can never like it enough. You have to keep pushing it to the left. You have to say, $20, that's not bullish enough. You $50, that's not bullish enough. $100, keep it going. Keep it going. $200, $300, $500, $589. No, $10,000. No, $20,000. Like, bro, like, let's be real. It's like you're never liberal enough. You gotta like cut everything off. You gotta like take your kids and change their stuff too. You're never liberal enough. Like, there's no such thing as a moderate on XRP? I mean, come on, bro. Damn. I like XRP, okay? I like it. You're going to piss some people off. I know it. I sure am. I'm a moderate for XRP, damn it. All right, Gala. Let's talk about Gala. Let's talk about Gala. Oh, man. I like Gala. ETH was 13 at some point, right? Okay. You do realize that XRP was less than 1/10 of a penny at some point, right? You need to look at market cap. Market cap will tell you the truth. All right, let's look at Gala. All right, so when we're looking at Gala, the first filter, I'll say, like, fundamentally, I like Gala. Chart-wise, even, I like Gala. But one big factor about Gala that I don't like is the inflation. The inflation on Gala is crazy. When is this? I mean, even from 7.54 billion the last bull market, and it's 39 billion now. Even from last year till now, it's went up almost double. So 24 billion to 39 billion, just shy of a 1x, right? So it's got a good bit of inflation. So I think that it can maybe get into the maybe like 30 cents, maybe. But, you know, we got to taper our expectations a little bit with Gala. Will Shiba hit 001? Let me see. Will Shiba hit 001? What is it? 001. 1, 2. What is the percentage that it needs to do to get that? 001. No. Not even close. Ski LCX, $1 or $2 in 2020. $2.22. Shiba will do about a 10x. Oh my god, bro. Global adoption. He said, thank you for the $1.99 donation, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top.
He says,
oh yeah.
you know XRP will be 10 grand. He says, you need to consider global adoption. I don't. I need to consider market cap, fundamentals, technicals. That's what I'm going to consider. Because that's what's made me a boatload of money. And that's what I'm going to keep doing. Like, and let's be real about XRP. XRP has been the same exact price for 8 years now. It has been in the same range for 2,712 days. Has the global adoption not went up? It's went up 0% in 8 years? Is that what you're telling me? Because that's not true. The only thing that equals price equals supply plus demand. That's it. When measuring the price, you need to measure the market cap. That's it. What the factors determine a coin that hits the 1618 versus the 2618 or other? Tim, when you figure that out, let me know. There are, I mean, it's retail euphoria versus not really. You sure about LCX? Only $2. Its circulating supply is under 1 billion, not 10 possible. 10's possible. Listen, I don't go off of what's possible though. My thesis, and someone just accused me of this in my comments, saying that my targets are way too high. Like, bro, have you watched my channel? My targets are not based off of what is possible. My targets are based off of what is likely. Right? Because I don't want you guys to be like holding on for what's possible. I want you guys to be out and you have your moon bag for what's possible, but you go ahead and secure paying off your house and your car and whatever else your goals might be. Because let's say, like, let's do it like this. Yeah, that was crazy, by the way. Someone accused me in my comments that my price targets are too high. Like, what? I'm literally like one of the lowest in all of crypto, to the point that people get upset. So let's say that you and I are predicting X coin, right? And let's say that this is me and this is you. And we're going to predict the price of X coin. And let's say right now X coin is $1. X coin equals $1. And let's say that I think that X coin is going to go to it's going to go to $10. That's my price target. I think X coin is going to go to $10. And let's say you love XR. You love X coin, not XRP. You love X coin. It's your favorite coin. You want to marry X coin. You love it with all your heart, right? And you think that X coin is going to go to let's say you think it's going to go to $100, right? Right now, X coin is $1. I think it's going to go to $10. You think it's going to go to $100. All right. Let's say that X coin actually goes to $900. or not 900, excuse me. Let's say it actually goes to $90. I exited fully at $10, but you were waiting for $100. Who was more right? Who was more correct? Who actually realized profits? You were more right, like it was closer to yours. But I actually realized the gains. Thank you for the hat and mustache, KV, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Security Exchange Commission is behind XRP. It's a bad thing. Bro, I did not know talking about XRP would just open up a can of worms like this. I was not prepared tonight to say, you know what? I'm going to go on live tonight and I'm going to fight XRP on both sides because I'm an XRP moderate. And I'm going to fight the conservatives. No, XRP is good. And I'm going to fight the XRP liberals. No, it's not going to $500. I wasn't ready for that tonight. Yeehaw! I wasn't ready. No. I finally made good money. Hate seeing it down. Thoughts on whether the SEC will appeal the Ripple? Look, bro, I don't care. I don't care. Here's my thoughts. If they appeal the case, XRP will go to $5 minimum. If they don't appeal the case, XRP will go to $5 minimum. Gallo's dead. Now say something bad about Jasmine to get them infuriated. All right? Jasmine has 10x their supply since last bull run. It will not go parabolic this bull run. You're doing well, Ski. Sir, have you tried ashwagandha? I have not. Oh, yeah, no. Ashwagandha, yeah. I've used ashwagandha. I like ashwagandha, actually. Thanks for the lightning. Can you trade with my funds? No. Irish Deno, thanks for the cap, bro. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Hey, boss. I hold no coins, but I want to secure some type of profit. What coins do you recommend? Okay. Let's say you were starting off with $1,000. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Here's my beginner guide. If you're brand new to crypto and you are starting with 0. All right, let's say you're going to start off with, this is you. I like your smile, by the way. You got a good smile. This is you. And you're going to start off your crypto journey and you're going to invest $1,000. That's what you're going to start off with. All right. It doesn't matter. Right. But that's what you're going to start with. And then you're like, hey, this is what I could do every month. Let's say that number is 100 additionally every month after that, or every week or whatever. It doesn't matter. These are just made up numbers. They mean nothing, but you're going to get the principle. So let's say you're going to start off with $1,000 and each month after that, you're going to invest an additional $100. Maybe it's 200, maybe it's 500, maybe it's 10,000. Maybe you're balling like that. I don't know. But whatever the number is, you're going to also invest $100 every single month after that. Thank you for the $4.99 donation. The bulk amount of crypto channels live in fantasy land, spending BS. Your targets are fair. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. Thanks for your support.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Says, give him a mustache. Thanks for the W and the lightning, guys. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, so you're starting brand new, right? You're brand new to crypto. This is how I would do it. I would separate this bag 33% into different pots. And then I would add to the bag the same way in 33% different pots. So let's make this a little bit more. Let's just say every month you're going to divvy up into 33% pies. All right. So I would have this as your blue chip / forever. That's going to be like your Bitcoin, your XRP, your ADAs, right? This is your blue chip, large market cap that you can hold for 20 years. And then you would have your medium cap. I like, for medium cap, I like VeChain or VeChain. I like Flux. I like LCX. Those are all small or medium cap coins that I like. I'm not saying that you should invest into this. This isn't financial advice. I'm just giving you a structure on how you could start out if you're brand new, right? And then if you were, I would have your high risk, your high reward plays, right? So your Solnic. So this would be like micro cap coins. So let's do micro. Let's not do Solnic. Let's not be biased. So micro cap coins. So this would be like Solnic. You could throw He in there. You could throw in Saucer Swap. Those are three that I like. And then every week you're going to invest back into the 3% again, right? So you're going to do 33% into the blue chips. You're going to do 33% into the medium caps, and you're going to do 33% into the micro caps. Regardless of the price, regardless of the news, regardless of the narratives, you're going to do this every single week, regardless of price. And this will put you at the best position to secure the most amount of profits over the longest course of time. That's what I would do if I was brand new starting out. So there you go. I make it to you, get a cut. All right, appreciate that, bro. Altcoin to check out projects. All right. I think my phone just died. So the Solnic live just ended. Sorry about that. I was gonna say something. Oh, you should also, in addition to this, right? So this is the money that you're going to be investing, right? So this is the money, the dollars that you're going to be investing. But also, in addition to this, there is another thing that you need to do, and that is the knowledge. So you need to read up on your coins. You need to read the Bitcoin Standard. You need to read the white papers. You need to understand what it is you're holding and why the hell it is you're holding it. Understand, learn how the game works, right? So that would be the half of it would go towards your actual financial investing, and the other half would go towards your knowledge of the game and how it works, how it operates. Why are we here? Why is crypto invented in the first place? What is inflation? How is inflation factored? All of these things are critical, important components to why cryptocurrency is here and why it will inevitably succeed. So there you go. All right, Sui given the upcoming token unlock. Bro, we've talked about Sui a few times. I would begin to DCA out of Sui. Sui is SUI. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's in price discovery already. It's already in price discovery. I would consider taking profit on that. All right, guys. It's been fun. That's going to be it for this time. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I will never message you first. I'm never going to message you asking you for money. If a yo boy ski does, it ain't me. It's a scammer. Don't get scammed. If a random coin pops up in your wallet and says redeem here, do not redeem. That is how you get your wallet wiped. Don't fall for these silly scams. If you have questions, ask somebody. If you don't know, don't go. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this time. I appreciate each and every one. Ignore me again. I didn't ignore you, Megan. Into liquidity pools. liquidity pools are fine. All right, guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
day I'm